Yeah, just a quick tip really for anyone using an ECOS accessory decoder. I'm using it with Fleischmann track with Fleischmann surface mounted point motors. Now I've got the signal, the Fleischmann signal, working in tandem with the changing of the point or the entrance of this main yarn that I've got. So obviously it's on red at the moment. If I fire that point, it should change the point and the signal at the right time, as it does. That's exactly how I've always wanted it to be. I never got round to sussing out how to do it, but I've just sussed out how to do it. So you just wire up the terminals for the point and the actual wires for the light signal into the same address on the actual accessory decoder, which I'll show. Yeah, so looking under my baseboard at the accessory decoder, the point motor and the light signal wires are wired in to one address, and that's it. You just swap the wires around accordingly for whatever colour coordination and which way you want the point motor to throw. But to make the light light up continuously, you've got to throw this switch here to K84 mode. Without that, if it's on user mode, the light signal will not work. It won't light continuously. You've got to throw that switch to K84 and then the lights will stay on the signal and obviously work the point motor. Yeah, another point, when it's in K84 mode on the ECOS accessory decoder, you can't work the point motors by hand, because if you try and do it, it'll fire it back. It keeps it in the exact position it should be, or at all times. So that's just another thing to know. You can see, as you can see, it won't have it. Where if it's not in K84 mode, you can just work them by hand. There's no pressure, there's no actual electricity being used like this. There's no force being added until you try and move it, and then it'll fire back. That's the only difference between user mode and K84 mode, if that makes any sense. Thanks.